Hello friends, I am Himanshu Deshmukh here and let's talk about time management today. Now let me say one thing very clearly, that time management is a big myth. There is nothing called time management. We cannot manage time, but we can manage only the activities which we are doing on daily basis. So because everybody is getting 24 hours and what we do in these 24 hours, that what matters. So now with respect to the activity management, let's talk about two things today. First is, whenever we are starting our day, mostly in the morning time of course, then we are writing to-do list in a notepad, in a diary. Then we have to classify these activities into three: productive, non-productive and super productive, or non-productive, super productive and productive. And then you have to delete or you have to minimize your time of non-productive activities and increase your time in productive and super productive activities. Now everybody is aware that what kind of activities which we are doing which are non-productive. For example, we are checking emails all the time. No need to check emails all the time, right? I mean, we check the emails in the say like two hours time frame or 1 hour time frame. That is more than sufficient. But sometimes we just do surfing in case of social media as well, that we are just surfing the social media without any purpose, without any intention, and that is getting our time is getting consumed in that. So we have to be careful about this, where our time is going and what kind of activities which we are doing in that time frame. Now second, one template which I'm going to talk and which is mentioned on this whiteboard as well, that we have to classify the things as per these four quadrants. First is important and urgent. These are the activities which we have to do. It is like must to do. For example, we have to pay the tax bills, right? Important as well as urgent. There are some activities which are important but not so urgent. So we have to, like, these are activities which we should do. Not very urgent but important. For example, like creating this video, this is like important activity for me, but it is not so urgent. I can do it tomorrow as well, but I should do it. Third thing is that not important and not urgent. I mean, this is nice to do it, but if you not do it today, that is also fine, absolutely fine with that. And lastly, not important but urgent. So everybody is aware that how they can classify all their activities, all your activities as per these four quadrants. So if you will do this, then we will get the good amount of understanding and then we can organize our time. So basically what we are doing, the activity management in an organized way, and then ultimately you will get the better output in the less time frame. So implement this. I'm doing it on daily basis since last 2 or 3 weeks time frame, and I'm getting better results. My output is much better in the limited time. So you follow it and let me know. Please comment and give me your feedback. Thank you.